My name is Clifford Soto, a public administrator.
My name is Tosin Angus, BSc Accountancy. For 3 years, I've worked as an accountant and an auditor.
And my name is AC Lambat. I have worked as an office assistant and receptionist for 2 years.
I am Lizzie Odile, a mass communicator. I study in Harvard. I've always looked forward to working with an indigenous team like this, and I'm glad I found one.
Um, I'm Hyginus Alaboso, BA History and International Relations, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, first class. Sorry, the traffic slowed down my speed today. I'm sorry, it will not happen again.